Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sheriff Toadster from the Garten of Ban Ban game on Roblox. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Sheriff Toadster, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a circle for one eye. I'm going to leave some space and then I'm going to make another circle for the second eye right over here. Inside of here, I'm going to make a circle for one of the pupils, and then I'll make a second one right here. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for just a tiny bit of a reflection. So we just want to leave that little circle at the top and then just color in the rest. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. Then I'm going to curve this around and bring it back up here, almost in kind of like a banana shape. Next, I'm going to do that same thing. So I'm going to start right down here, and I'm going to curve this around. I'm going to go right underneath the eyes, and then we're just going to curve this around and bring it down to about here. Now for the teeth, I'm just going to draw a few straight lines in here. So I'll draw a few little lines like this, and then I'll make a few little lines right over here too. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go down, then we're going to come up and back down over here. Right here, I'm going to make a small little oval shape right here. And then a little oval shape right on top for the hat. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. It's going to curve around and come right back up to here. Now, for the arms, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. I'll make a line that comes up for the thumb. Then I'm going to draw a few little finger shapes like this on each side. So I'll do 3 more. So I'll do 1, 2, and then 3. Then I'm going to bring this down on each side. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down on each side for the legs. Then I'll make a line that's going to curve around and come up. Same thing here, curve around and come up. I'm going to curve it up here, and I'm going to curve it up here. Now for the stomach, let's bring this line up and then down. And then we're going to add a little star shape right here for his badge. So I'm going to make a little point right there. I'll make a little point that goes out and in on each side. And then 2 little points right here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Sheriff Toadster from Garten of Ban Ban. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.